Kasorkar Jilla Lingbao Menteri Katanar Pule Puthi Jong Kasorkar Balakman Rymbui Hagasi Balang Jagatayo Kalakarpat Ikinoika School SSA Bakin Leit Phai Sha Laki Kam Lym Kumta Kasorkar Kamban Si Ban Sangeh Tulop Jongki Habekran Bikla Pathai Kubor Ba Rymbui Ulong Ba Kasorkar Kam Shimla Yai Lait Naga Jingiakhih Hindreya Minta Kamla Banlei A Namar Jingslam Kapisa Kadei na Kasorkar Kami Kumta ula kerpa di Jingiakhih bakin Sangeh Jingiakhih ban ab ekapisa kabawan na Kasorkar kami batang shuan kani kapisa Kasorkar kan Sangeh Noh Tulop badangsa jong kini Jingiakhih School SSA.
See, the funding of the state government, as you said, is 90%. But 90% off, there is a capping of 15,000 for the salary. There is a capping of 15,000. So the government of India paid 90% of 15,000, and beyond that, the 10% plus, the 4,000 plus or 5,000 plus is to be borne by the government of Meghalaya, which we are doing now. And as you see the notification of the government of India that this scheme is extended till 2025 or 26, I don't know exactly, and every year the funding will be reduced by 5%. So the complication is huge. And but as I said, we will not shy away from responsibility. We will try to do and we will try to streamline how we could do so that to ease the burden of the teachers, to ease the pressure on our teachers. But having said that, it is not a very easy solution. So I request the teachers that they should resume class, and if they do resume class, we have no other option. Either we have to issue order of no work, no pay, or we will withdraw the grant to the managing committee for those schools which are closed in spite of repeated requests by the government of Meghalaya.